Yes, good day and welcome back, guys. Mosquito them enough, but guess what? We have some Jaguar cichlids today, guys. We are me and Half-Grade Adventures. We're out here today, but mosquito them, me know where them come from, peeps. Me don't know where them come from. But today, guys, anything we catch, a straight in our friend partner, we're going to some isle, a tile. Yeah, man, me and Half-Grade Adventures, the back of the camera, peeps. Yeah, man. So what do you say, bro?
Come on, you see it? Half-Grade Adventures, you see me? Jamaica Adventures, you know we out here. Yeah, man, we are doing it. Mosquito them are going bad, but never.
Yeah, peeps, so we'll try to get the fire up, you know? So stay tuned. Oh, what that? Coming. Outside though, you know? My peeps, so watch out. See that? He's not good enough, but guess what? I can go and stay it there. I'm say if he's smart enough to come off, but he been a catch fish, you know. Yeah, man, see it? I realize, say, left the GoPro, peeps, you see me? Left the GoPro, left the chest strap right on the bed. Oh, God, man, as you can see, look over there. Over water, stand up. So, guess what? I can't have my phone right as a peeps, else I can't do the editing. See there? Oh, the fish smart, he jump off. He jump off piece, he gone. The fish Christmas today. See me? Yeah, man, he come off, man, he good. So catch him back, peeps. You see me? So stay tuned. That's how we are for the fisherman thing. Yeah, man, we can't go into much catch today, guys. Because as I say, over water with there, you see? Yeah, man, we are Half-Grade Adventures, guys. Just go out in channel again, like, share, subscribe. You see me? I catch some more fish. We are showing the string when we're done. You see? Jamaica Adventures attack on, you know. That is it, man. Yes, the peeps, so that's the catch, you know. So we are see fire right now. I don't know so we really I go still. I go blaze about the fire there. And start and get about 6 fish or 8 fish there. What do you think? About 8 fish though. Cause I want a belly full now, don't it? Yeah, man. About 8 fish scrape peeps. Yeah, man, I get about 8 fish scrape. Fry them up in the idea. And then you know it goes in. But stay tuned when I see that. As I say, guys, the reason why I'm not showing anything them today, I left my GoPro. See? And again, I left the GoPro, and plus me need to get some other memory card. Guys, all the memory card them full up. Yeah, man. So we need to get fully equipped back because I had some GoPro memory cards, but them get water damages in. So stay tuned. I'll start coming. Yeah, boy. I scrape the fish them. How much for a fish, Jay? Eh? How much for a fish? Yeah. 10
pounds.
Wow, man. No, take it. Yeah, man. Chips?
10 pounds.
Oh, 10 pound of fish? Okay, Jay to catch them there, guys. Nice size one. You know? I set the fire, I get the fire blaze back here now. Get the pot on. I have the pot over there, so. Aisle over there, so. I have a season in the back. Get the fire blaze back, smoke. Mosquito them whole heap. Yeah. So yeah, man, my peeps. So I go on. Get the creep fish and creep up, you know. Boy, mosquito them, they do a whip, boy. But you know, bush life, bush settings, you know. With the Half-Grade, you know.
That is it.
So, peeps, I get them scrape up. I get about 8 of them scrape up. Scale one already and got him. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One less already. So see it? Stay tuned. So we jump on the pot for the fire.
That is it. Real bush life settings.
Yeah, man, peeps. See easy, so. You know, some look of dirt. Look at dirt and some fish season. You see me? That one. Go on that. African, yeah? African perch. Yes, peeps. Getting cheesy right through and through enough. So you put the slice pan inside. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Soon we want to Japan pan the fire. See it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Peeps, so now oil pan the fire. Hot oil. Drop the fish in that. So fish is seasoned up already. And we have them. I want to scale it, peeps. Drop them on the fridge. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you know, we are go back in the crab bush tonight, yeah. But for now, great fish push over there. My piece are dropping the first fish, you know. Jay, come catch it. Eh? Hot oil. Second fish. Hot oil for them from out of the water to the pond. Eh? Only if them know. Only if them did know. Peeps, I will stick our skull off already. Start all the way. Too far, okay, no? You see me? Fix up a fish them. Now the bush with fish bush. I know. Great off-grid adventures over there, sir. You know, peeps, we are teaching about the bush now because say mosquitoes are making paranoid over there. But you know, so the bush is a hard thing, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Bush life, you know. Great bush life. And a bush life, you know. A bush life. Yeah, man. So one Jamaica adventures this, peeps. You know, from the water to the pot and to the tummy. Yeah. And maybe I get too big, I don't know, peeps. But anyway, stay tuned. Remember, like, share, subscribe to Jamaica Adventures. Go outside like all the time, you see me? Yeah, man, that's how we do it. Mosquito bite. Put some wood on the fire now. Even on the fire on the pot. Oh, this is sick now, man. Shoot up. Shoot up here. Ah, just like that. Just like that. Take pan and fish here now. Fry and fish it can't miss. Oh man, how you do? Can you want to know over? Alright, never solution here. No worry yourself. One piece of stick. Piece of stick, eh? No man, that good man. Just get on piece. Shoot up. Use that and shoot up and stick it. Alright, so I'm starting what? What I'm telling you, say, the smoke come up here now. And when you want the smoke, you now come, you know. See, since as you're fry fish right now, be a smoke in the eye. Yang kita ikan tu ah, miss. Dia tu yang smoke dalam air dah mah bleed. Dia mana tip, saya no say. Dalam nanti sini ada. You know, one balance and one take up. Just like that, to plate every day, guys. Just like that.
Plate, you know?
Just like that, you know?
But bush today, you know?
Bush cooking.
And we are use what we have. And them style, yeah? After we small, we are do them thing, yeah? And not a joke thing. You know, the broad cocoa leave them, and them they used to eat out of. Back then.
Oi, oi! You see that? You see that? And then we got all last, thick last, yeah man, got it. Right, that's what. Right. Yes, sir. That is it, man. That is it, my peeps. That is it. You see fish in there. Bad man. See fish in there. What going? You want fish? Eh? Take up fish, one. You want that thing they were in the neck? Where thing the name? Where you did? Eh? Dribbler? Yeah, man. See fish in before we fly them come back. You know we fly them. How we fly them stay. Mosquito there, you know. Take up a fish there. Where's the fish taste?
No, it's poor.
Tips, take up a fish there, bush.
You want the black one?
Give me black one.
And the bone inside.
Black one. Crying Chris, man, in the name. Crying Chris, you think you can't miss it. You can't get the next black one in front of you. You want the next black one? Eh? You know, so the fish, I catch him and him juke me, man. I can't have a GoPro. Him juke me, man, and jump off back. Ask Jay. Jay there as witness, don't Jay? I'm catch him back. Yeah. Bust Jay line. I want a whole heap of fish Jay busting line now.
Fish.
Taste the fish bush. Oh, fish bush, fish taste bush.
No, not this.
Nah, taste. It's the season this time. That taste. Bush has the fish and taste it. Bush on the fish salt. Bush have the fish have a season already, isn't it? So it needs no more salt than that. So anyway, in the salt your salt pan see one name good, you know. And Jay say fish good, right?
Nice boy.
Alright. So we fry the rest of them pips. Or you'll go out of here, is it? Ready. Mash up, you know. Mash up to the bone. And try and get the cut on good. Alright. Mash up, pips. Payahin na yaw, ayan ang payat.
So, I bad.
Alright, so we'll get the pan there. Wash out my peeps. So peeps, see fish in there, there, I enjoy myself. We catch some fish, although I never get fish when we catch them. Or we catch them and then catch a big 2 pound, 3 pound to 3 pound size and drop off. You see me? This is what the outdoor is all about, guys. You see me? If you want to come on an adventure, come catch 2 fish, but beware. And be mindful. Mosquito,
Crocodile too.
bugs. Crocodile are a problem, peeps. If crocodile was a problem, we wouldn't there, you see me? But crocodile in the water. But we not go in and like in the water, we go, right? Yeah, man. So there, peeps. Another epic adventure. And outdoor adventures there. See? Off-grid adventures, that's my mistake. Keep on doing that, guys. I know the channel is new one thing. So anyway, guys, remember, go over to the channel again. Like, share, and subscribe. And now start ringing that in the ears. Yeah, man. Fish Bush channel, guys. Fish Bush channel is who build now. So just look out for it, you know. Fish Bush adventures. So stay tuned, peeps. We're there. I'll mash up a fish, them. Man, take up any fish, man. Take up a fish in the bush.
Just come off a blood clot for man.
Watch the body, watch the body, watch. Hot, is that? Eh? Hot in the pot.